And the State Department says it will release the emails to watchdog group Judicial Watch. To Judicial Watch's attorney, Michael Bakesha, on what smoking guns he's looking for. Michael, congratulations. First of all, you guys have fought an amazing fight, and now you're starting to get a lot of things that the public would have never seen, redactions and all, if not for you. But now, what exactly do you expect? What kind of smoking guns perhaps could we see?
Thank you for having me. You know, I think the smoking guns are the communications between Mrs. Clinton and Bill Clinton and the Clinton Foundation is what we're going to see. You know, last week we received emails from Huma Abedin, her closest personal aide, and those were emails that Hillary Clinton didn't return. And what we saw there were communications between Huma Abedin and Doug Band at the Clinton Foundation. So see a lot more of emails about Clinton Foundation donors getting special access to the State Department.
And connecting those dots, you know, of course, you've already had pushback from the Clinton folks saying there's certain things. Everyone in Washington wears one or two or three hats. People know each other. There's no evidence that anything ever happened from casual introductions.
You know, that's absolutely right. You know, that's what they say, but it's not really the truth. I mean, what we see is that there was an ethics agreement in place for Mrs. Clinton when she became Secretary of State. And what that said is that she would not be involved in Clinton Foundation activities. And the Clinton Foundation also had new rules and guidelines set up to prevent the Clinton Foundation from having influence on the State Department. So that you had these concerns at the beginning of her term, and clearly they were justified, and it looks as though all of those concerns and the agreements may have been ignored.
What can happen from here? I mean, are there any options with respect to legal options, or is this just a matter of setting the record straight with the public?
Judicial Watch has over 30 federal lawsuits related to the Clinton email scandal. We continue to get more records, more information, and we're trying to create an entire picture so the public has so the public can see exactly what happened for those 4 years instead of the lies and the statements that Mrs. Clinton continued to say.
Michael, any idea on when you guys actually will have this material? Any sense of before, after the election?
You know, we go to court on Monday morning, and at that time, the State Department will hopefully let the judge know what they think the schedule should be. Most likely, that's going to be a long schedule for production of records, and we're going to fight back, and hopefully the judge will order the State Department to produce these records sooner rather than later.
All right, Michael, thank you very much. We appreciate it.